Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you how to disable comments on your YouTube videos. If you don't want to see negative or bad comments or any feedback about your YouTube videos, then this tutorial is the right for you. So just keep watching until the end. Jemaithespider once again is here. Please make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Actually, this tutorial is more easy to do it in your mobile phone or your desktop, but today I'm gonna show you both. Just log in. Let's start on our desktop. Just log into your YouTube account. You can see the upper right corner. Click that picture, your profile picture, and then click Studio. And then in your left side menu you can see videos. Just click that videos, and then you can choose any videos that you want to disable the comments. For example, I will choose this one, and then go to more options, and then you can see allow all comments. Just click this. You can choose this one, all the potentially inappropriate comments, all comments for review, or you can just totally disable comments. For example, I will choose this disable comments. Save, and then go to our channel, and then click this one. Then you can see comments are turned off. Now guys, let's do it in our smartphone. You can see this YouTube Studio app. Click this one. Go to your videos. Guys, you can see, for example, I chose this one, guys, and then you can see this one. Click that pen, and then go to advanced settings. Then you can see this allow comments. Click this, then save. That's it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please give thumbs up if you like this video and leave your comment down below. Share this video to your family and friends who are YouTubers, and please make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and hit the bell button to get more tips and strategies about your business. Thank you once again, Jemaithespider, to your service. Bye bye.